Hey guys, recently we saw a leaked video showing the foldable phone, dual foldable phone from Xiaomi, and that was leaked by most reliable leakster leaks. But now we have the full hands-on video of Xiaomi's foldable phone shared by Xiaomi's president Lin Bin himself. And as you can see, it appears to be very same device that was leaked by leaks earlier this month. While Samsung, Huawei, LG, everyone is working on foldable phones like these, Xiaomi's upcoming foldable phone will be sporting a unique design. Xiaomi president Lin Bin claims that it will be the world's first double folding mobile phone as seen in the video. The UI is looking very clean, no legs whatsoever. Device also looks very beautiful, very squarey with this minimal bezels all around. The man is using TikTok here in this device, and when he starts folding it, just look at this very minimal bezels with that beautiful dual curved edges. And the device looks very wide here, not like an 18:9 aspect ratio, but this is just the beginning. In the future, we will see a lot of foldable phones with an improved grid designs. The only thing which I don't like is the screens on the back. When this device gets folded, here the back screen stills on and in a wallpaper color. I just wanted that screen turns black or off, but according to Lin Bin, CEO of Samsung, the device shown in video is just an engineering unit. Maybe in the final unit, the back screens will be turned off. He also said the company had overcome various technical difficulties to build a phone with double folding design. Some of the problems the company was able to overcome are related to four-wheel drive filing shaft technology, flexible cover technology, MIUI system adaptation, and so on. He also said that he has thought of names like Xiaomi Dual Flex and Xiaomi Mix Flex for the foldable phone. He has asked Weibo users to suggest a good name for the phone, so let me know which one is your favorite name. And as for the release date, here is no confirmation about that, but seems like Xiaomi will release its foldable phone at MWC 2019. So yeah, consider subscribing for all the upcoming leaks about Xiaomi, and see you soon.